Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get a loan from Nayapay. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Nayapay. Now, click on the official website link that appears at the top of the search results to make sure you are visiting the correct site. After that, once the website opens, click on the personal option from the top menu. This section provides information about services offered to individual users. Next, look for the option to download the mobile application. You will see buttons for the Google Play Store and App Store. Choose your device type and install the app on your phone. Once the app is installed, open it and explore the features. Loan availability and eligibility details are usually explained inside the app. If you need help or want to apply for a loan, scroll down on the website and click on Contact Us. Here you will find customer support details such as phone numbers or other contact methods. Now connect with their support team and inform them that you are interested in applying for a loan. They will guide you through the eligibility criteria, required documents, and the application process. If you meet their requirements, they will explain the next steps for approval and disbursement. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid delays in processing. That's how you can start the process of getting a loan from Nayapay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.